y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I just want to say welcome again. But also, if you are into subscription boxes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you because we do all kinds of subscription boxes here. We do lifestyle, we do candles, we do beauty, we do pets, essential oils, we do it all. So if you enjoy subscription boxes, like I said, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and become a part of our amazing YouTube family. And guys, please also remember we do have 2 active giveaways right now. We have our holiday appreciation giveaway as well as our holiday thrift bag giveaway. So both of those will be linked down below. And also, if you enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. But as you can see from the title, today we have the December 2019 Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. So we will be going in here and seeing what we got for December. Before we do, I just want to go over some information about Simply Earth so that you are familiar. Obviously, it is an essential oil recipe box. So you usually get 4 essential oils every month, and then you get different recipe cards of things that you can do each month with those different oils. Now, I have a promo code, you guys. If you would like to sign up, it is $39. And with this promo code, that $39 will get you your first box. It will get you a big bonus box that is going to include things like almond oil, coconut oil, which are carrier oils for a lot of different recipes. It's going to include like some candle wax, some just different things that you may not have that you would need for some of these recipes. Now, specific boxes like this December box, some of the recipes that are in here, you're going to have the 4 oils, and there will be other products to help you make those. And then typically anything else you would need would either be in the big bonus box or something that you probably already have at home. So you would get the box, the big bonus box, but you would also get a $40 gift card, like an e-gift card to their site. The box is only $39. So, I'll put the link and the promo code, which is Southern Mom Free, down below for you guys. But let's get in here and see what we got in our December box. Now, I do want to say one thing I do absolutely also love about Simply Earth. They give 13% of their profits to a different charity every month to help end human trafficking. I love that. I love that anytime a box gives back, but giving 13% to end human trafficking, again, with different charities, I think is fantastic. So let's get her open. And see what we got for December. Last year, I got this box last year in December, and it was literally like a little ornament for the tree, but it was like obviously scented. So much fun. All right. This says, spread your wings. Merry Christmas from Wild Root and Simply Earth. Wild Root is a sister company of Simply Earth that uses Simply Earth essential oils to create all natural products. As a thank you, it says they've included right here, a travel size natural deodorant. So this is Performance Formula scented with lavender and the Lang Lang essential oil. It actually smells really good. And I'm not really a big fan of lavender typically, but that smells good. So we got a natural deodorant. That's nice. That was a nice little gift. All right, so we have our recipe cards right here. And then I do like they always, because in that big bonus box, you're also going to get like, if say there's a recipe for something that's like a rollerball bottle. The bottles, you're going to get some of those bottles in that big bonus box. You're going to get some empty little bottles like the essential oils to make blends in. And then you get stickers so you can put on those or the different things that you make and you know what it is. So I love that. All right, so let's see. Oh, it looks like our oils this month are peppermint, mandarin, pine scotch, and candy cane. And then we have some stuff over here. This is what I was talking about, that would give you some of the things you need for the different recipes. But then again, here are your 4 oils. So let's see some of our recipes. Look at some of this stuff. So we have like an empty tin. We have some twine. We have what looks like 2 lip balm bottles, a little spray bottle, and then maybe gift tags. Some gift tags here. Let's take a look. Let's see. Okay, so the very first recipe is a candy cane lip balm. That's awesome. And I love that it tells you how long on these cards. It will tell you, like, this says estimated shelf life 1 year, kid safe for 12 plus. So I do like that they give you that information right there. And let's see. So yeah, you got your labels, the fun extras, the 6 toxin-free recipes, and then the 4 full-size pure essential oils. All right, so, but there is the recipe and all of the directions on how to make that candy cane lip balm. Ooh, a mandarin and coffee sugar scrub. It says estimated shelf life is 6 weeks, kid safe for 2 plus. And on the back of this one, it's telling us that the 13% this month is going to Nightlight Bangkok. And it says each month we partner with a different organization doing amazing things to end modern day slavery. By purchasing this recipe box, you have made a difference with Nightlight Bangkok. 13% of all Simply Earth profits go to end human trafficking. Nightlife is a nonprofit organization offering holistic intervention and restoration for women, families, and communities affected by the global sex industry. They also offer dignifying employment and personal development opportunities to women who have come out of prostitution or trafficking in Thailand with their Nightlight design jewelry business. That is amazing. So that is the charity this month. And again, the mandarin and coffee sugar scrub recipe. And then we have a peppermint and pine, I never know if I'm saying salve. 1 year and kids safe for 10 up. Oh, so, okay, so this is actually reading. It says to use, apply to the chest for a natural decongestant. So this is going to be like making a homemade natural version of like Vicks Vapor Rub. That's obviously amazing to have this time of year. And then we have a Christmas candy diffuser blend. And it's supposed to last for 2 years. Kids safe, 12 and up. However, this I also like. It tells you if it's safe for cats or dogs. I think that's great. And it literally is just a combination of some of the candy cane and the mandarin. So there is that. And then it says, here's a sneak peek at January's recipe box, Winter Wellness. I love celebrating the new year. It's time to start fresh and make changes to your life for a better you. That's why next month's box is focused on wellness. Oils included will be our reformulated and much improved Relief Blend, Clary Sage, Whole Wood, and Lemon. These oils make some beautiful blends. The bonus items will be avocado oil and containers. And then obviously you're going to get some different recipes. And so yeah, there is that recipe and information about next month. And then this is a citrus Christmas room spray. estimated shelf life is 3 months. It's kid safe for ages 2 and up, but it is not dog or cat safe. So that is why we have the little spray bottle right here. So there's that recipe. And then our final recipe is a Cold Buster Roll-On. This is estimated shelf life of 2 years and kid safe for 10 and up. And let's see. So this is where you would use the fractionated coconut oil and one of the 10 milliliter roll-on bottles that will come in that big bonus box. And you're going to add 1 drop of peppermint, 1 drop of the pine scotch, and 3 drops of the mandarin. And it says to use, apply, blend to pulse points for congestion relief, focus, and energy. So there is that. And then, like I said, you have your 4 oils right here. So again, we have candy cane, peppermint, the mandarin, and the pine scotch. So that was the December 2019 Simply Earth box. Like I said, I will leave that link and the promo code Southern Mom free down below so you can sign up, get your box with all these goodies, the big bonus box, and a $40 e-gift card for their site. So it's an amazing deal. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down below what your thoughts are. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.